To install WordPress, we will first log into our cPanel and scroll over to Softaculous Apps Installer. Here's the icon of WordPress. We will click on the WordPress icon, which will redirect to the app installer. Now scroll it down, click on Install Now. Now here are some details which it will ask you to do. Now select HTTPS version. If you have an SSL, select the domain name at which you want to install. Here I've selected digitalabbey.com and make sure that the indirectory is empty. We'll change the site name to Digitalabbey, and here's the site description. I will just change to World's Going Digital. By the way, it's not permanent. You can just put anything here. You can just change it on later. Just leave it untick. And now here we have to enter the username and password of our WordPress dashboard. When you will go to your WordPress dashboard, you have to enter this username and password in the WordPress login portal. So I'll just enter Digitalabbey here, and we'll leave the password as pass for the current time. We'll change it later. I will just leave the language as English. Just don't touch any of these. You can just you can tick the limit loginizer attempts. You will just don't touch any of these and just click on install. You can just put the email where you want to get the installation details, and here's the installation has started. And it's successfully installed. So return to overview. Cool, it's perfectly installed on our website. Now let's check it out. Digitalabbey.com. Yes, WordPress is successfully installed on our website. Now let's go to WordPress dashboard. To go to WordPress dashboard, you just have to put /wp-admin, and a screen like this will show up here. You have to just enter the username and password which you have set in the cPanel while installing the WordPress. Enter here Digitalabbey. The password was PSS pass. Hit login button. And we are into our WordPress dashboard. This is how the dashboard of WordPress looks like when you have just installed it. You can just put many of the plugins and just hit never here. We will just learn more about WordPress dashboard, what are its features and all of the other stuff like SEO and plugins and all that stuff. Maybe to some of you it may look similar, but to some of you it may be new. So we'll learn all of that stuff, and don't worry about that sidebar. We will learn each and everything. What is this and what is that, all that stuff. So that's it.